Wednesday, 4th of March, once again. Little raptor perched on a fence post, quite distant. This is the best I can get.
Hey, Jay is putting down the peanuts and mealworms for Flash. We're at Flash's site, and happy Wednesday, March 4th. Here he comes on the fence. Yeah? Yeah? Go ahead. Yeah, worms. Oh, he took peanut. He still hasn't figured it out. Well, we only had Flash come down, take a peanut, and he hasn't been back, so Jay's going to collect the mealworms, and we're going to go on. Okay, Mrs. Blue Jay has done her little song and dance a couple times. Mr. Blue Jay is over on the fence, waiting for Jay to finish putting down the peanuts and the mealworms. He's hardly waiting. He's already down on the ground near where Jay is. Hi, good morning. We hadn't seen them for a couple of days. We were getting concerned. Isn't he awesome? He's just the bestest. Feed her another one. Good going, yes. So sweet. You are the best guy. Come on, come back and get your peanut. Yes, you are. He's done all the mealworms. Now he's going to work on the peanuts. Okay, we're going to go on. Okay, we have both Freddie and Fluffy as we're heading to their area. We're at Freddie and Fluffy's feeding area. Both are here. Yeah. Just the way I like it. They're like little hoovers when it comes to the treats going down on the ground. And Freddie and Fluffy, there's still some treats here. They've both gone over to where Jay is dishing out the food. We're at Buddy's area. Jay's putting down the peanuts and then going to put down the mealworms. I do not see his mate Brenda. Just Buddy. Okay, we have both now. Yep, mealworm first. He does not feed Brenda the way Mr. Blue Jay feeds Mrs. Blue Jay. Well, what's he gonna do? Oh, he's just gonna go bury them, huh? They're not peanuts. You can't. If you bury them, they crawl. They're gone. Don't think he understands that. I'm waiting for Brenda to come down. She's on the fence. She needs a little more distance than Buddy does, so I backed up a few feet to give it to her. She's up there. Yep, Betty's back. Still waiting for her to decide to come down. Back up a few more feet. See if that helps. Here she comes. That's Brenda. With that, we're going to go on. Okay, Kitty Cat is not at the back of the park, but we have a couple of maintenance workers that are out working with equipment that's making a lot of noise, so he may be lying low, but Casey Sparrow is right here waiting for food, sort of pacing around. Hi, Guy. You're just so adorable. Just this little bundle of energy. There he goes. He goes, oh, I get first dibs. Oh, right. You gonna come back and get another piece? Since there's no kitty to compete with? Well, I just may well. Okay. He's just adorable. He was quick. I didn't see him get that piece of food. You gonna come down for another? You're still working on that one, okay. Okay, over on the hillside in one of the orchard trees is the red-tailed hawk. It had been on the gazebo. Jay had seen it as we were getting near the park, and it wasn't on the gazebo by the time we reached the park, but here it is. This isn't going to turn out so well because I'm right facing the sun. Okay, standing at the back parking lot for the Lutheran church, we have one of the red-tailed hawks in the redwood tree above the nest area. The other one may be in the nest. I can't really see movement yet. But facing us, so you can see that beautiful beige chest that they have. Yes, you are handsome. Just preening. Okie dokes, we'll leave him to his day. Okay, we are back at Freddie and Fluffy's feeding area. They're both here. I guess they didn't eat much. I'm just looking at the look on Jay's face. Yeah, they didn't eat much. But we still got some treats here. Fluffy, treats. Treats. There we go, girl. So did your other benefactor already feed you guys? You are a handsome guy. Yes, you are, Freddie. Okay, we're gonna head. Jay's offering up treats. Fluffy. Fluffy, treats. Fluffy girl. Nope. Okay, our first customer on the east side of Cardozo Park. Okay, he's got his peanut. He's gonna find a place to bury it. Okay, he's gonna go for 2. Way to go. And I'm gonna... Still on the east side. A few more showed up to get peanuts. This one here is a repeat. He already got one and came back for another. On the west side, we've got 2 crows up in the tree branch waiting for Jay to toss stuff out. Okay, here's the first one. And the second one. It's gonna go for 2, maybe. Yep, 2. Oops. He's trying. Here we go.